going to discuss about data structures. In last class we have discussed about packages and how to create our own module like that. So in today's class we are going to discuss about data structures, the basic data structures, which is most important part of Python. So these data structures from here, this part is more useful in placements, in the point of placements. Means in you need to study data structures more deeply in order to write program for any hard programs, okay, for any hard program questions. Hi, hello everyone, welcome to this YouTube channel Easy Engineering. Hope you all are doing good. And if you are watching this channel for the first time, watch this video till the end, and if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to this channel Easy Engineering. So let's get into this video. Data structures. In Python, data structures are used to store and organize data efficiently. Data structures is nothing but, see, in the name itself we are having data. Data is nothing but the information, right? The information which is useful is nothing but data. Structures is nothing but it is structural data, like it is stored efficiently, like see, it is stored like this, or some it is stored in a memory neatly, means it is in organized way. See, the data is stored in organized way, not like this. See, one line is here and another one is here, next one here, like this. This is jumbled, right? Like this we cannot access the data, or we can modify the data. Like this we can easily access, which is in a organized way. We can easily access and use this information which is organized efficiently. So that is known as data structures. In the name itself we are having it. And next, see, here are the basic data structures. These are the list of basic data structures. So first of all we are having list, and next we are having tuple, set, and after that we are having dictionary. We are having 4 basic data structures. These are list, tuple, set and dictionary. These 4 are mandatory to start data structures. So now let's discuss about list. See, let's discuss about all these 4 in today's class. So list, it is a mutable ordered collection that allows duplicate elements. See, in this first line itself we came to know it is mutable. Mutable is nothing but changeable. Like, see, I can easily write here changeable, right? Yes, mutable is nothing but changeable, which can be changed. See, the value can be changed, right? The value can be changed. See, list is nothing but it is an array. List is nothing but it is an array. See, here ordered collection, we have known that it is an ordered collection, right? See, now we are here we are having let's assume that it is having size 5, right? See, this is an ordered collection which is also known as array. So this is also known as list, which contains elements. These are elements, right? Yes. Now see, it is mutable, means we can change these values. See, we can change this 4 to some 6, like that we can change, right? Like that. And ordered is nothing but, see, this order cannot be changed. See, here we have written 1 2 3 4 5, right? We cannot write it as 2 3 4 5 and 1, right? This order should be maintained, and that allows duplicate elements. See, we can have duplicate elements also. See, here we are having 4, right? Here also we can have 4, no problem. There is no problem in it, which allows duplicate elements. So this list is the main features of list is how to identify a list. How to identify a list is nothing but, see, it is mutable, means it can be changed, and it is ordered collection, and it allows duplicate elements, right? These three are the main properties of list. And next, it is one of the Python's most versatile data types. This line, no problem, it is most versatile means most usable, most yes, versatile is nothing but it can be used everywhere, means it can be, see, many programs, many problems were solved using list, so that's why list is called as versatile. And next we are having key properties of list. See, these four are main key properties of list. See, ordered, we have already discussed. Order is nothing but we cannot change the order of the elements, right? See, here we are having we cannot change the order. If we have 1 2 3 4 and 5, then that should be maintained. That 1 2 3 4 and 5 should be maintained like this. We cannot change the order, so that is nothing but order. And next we are having mutable. Mutable is nothing but it can be changed, like, see, what the elements inside this. See, we are having, let me change the ink color, and now let me write the elements here. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Don't look at the handwriting, and that's not at all good. So yes, this is a list. We can give the name of the list as, let me change the color again. No, not this, let me use this. List as L1. It is the same as, like, see, it is same as like what, variable name, right? List variable name L1 is right? It is a valid variable, right? Yes. So it is ordered, you all know. See, this order should be maintained, and means we there is no need to maintain any order. The compiler itself maintains its order. See, if we want to print the element, means if we want to print the list will be printed in this order itself, right? Yes, that's it about ordered. And mutable, see, you can change the items, like, now let's see this. See, I am changing this 2 as sum 6, it is possible. And let me change this 5 as let me change this as 7, it is also possible. So this changing is possible, which is known as mutable. See, you can add, means you can change the elements. See, this point is completed, you can change the elements, and you can add. How to add? Wait, yes, now let me dynamically add an element like this. So inside we are going to have some 8, right? See, like this we can add elements, we can remove elements also. Can I remove some element? Let me remove this 3, right? We can remove elements like that also. Okay, then next point comes is dynamic. See, lists can grow or shrink in size. See here, when we are having 3, the size is 1 2 3 6, the size is 6, right? But when we do not have 3, now I have removed 3, right? Now the size will be only 5. Before this 8, the size is 5, but after 8 is added, the size became 6, like that. Lists can grow or shrink in size, means the size can be dynamic in nature. It can increase or decrease like that. Okay, next we are having heterogeneous. Heterogeneous is nothing but can contain different types of data. See, a list will be containing string, number and other lists. See, in an array there will be only what in an array we'll be having only what same data type, right? The elements should be of same data type, but in lists the elements can be string, elements can be number, elements can be other lists also. See, in place of this 4 we can add another list also. See, in place of this 8 we can add some string also, like some easy engineering, some Python programming, like that we can add any string also. So that is known as heterogeneous. So let's discuss all these about lists in a program. Okay, yes. Now let me write a list, declare a list 1 2. Let me add some string values also. Engineering, right? Next we are having another list also. Let me add another list, a 2 and let me remove 2 and 7, and let me add some we are having 0 comma j, right? See, we are having 1 2 3 4 elements, right? Let me add another element which is a caret b. Yes, this is a list we have created, and let me print the list. First of all, let me print the list 1, and after running, yes, I am getting this in the order which I have declared. See, 1 2 engineering. See, I have declared in the same order, right? 1 2 engineering and this list, and we 1 2 engineering, this list, and we are having in the same order we have created, right? Yes. After that, let me add and delete, add, remove. I'm going to use all those functions. So before that, let's access the elements of this array. Let me try to print the elements. Like, see, let me access the first element with index 0. See, let me comment this down. Comment this down and let me run it. Yes, 1. I have got 1, and let me replace it with 1 0 1 2. Let me replace it with 2. What will be getting? Engineering. Yes. Let me replace it with 3 because we are having another list here. So how it will be printing? Yes, it is printed as another list, right? Yes. This is a way to access the elements. And next, we can also know the type of elements. See, the type of elements means print of type. You already know about this type function, right? We have already discussed about this. So type list1 of let me try to figure this out. The third element, yes, string. It is of string type, right? Engineering is of string type. Let me comment this down. Yes, see, engineering, list of 2, list 1 of 2 is nothing but engineering. It is of string type, right? So that's the reason here in the output we are getting string, right? Yes, like this you can get the type of elements. And next, now let's see the other operations of list in next class, where we can discuss about list itself. See, I'll be discussing about these in detail in further classes. Okay, now let's go to the tuple, which is also as a list, but there are some differences in list and tuple. Let's see those. See, in a tuple is an ordered is nothing but okay, I have to draw again. Then I'll try to draw. 1 second. Now see, here we are having a list. This is known as a list. See here, it is ordered, right? See, when we try to print this array, the same order which we have declared or defined, in the same order the elements will be printed, like 8 1 2 3 6 7, like this. In this order itself the elements will be printed, right? That is known as ordered. Okay. And immutable is nothing but, see here, list is ordered and it is a mutable means, see, we can change. Like, let me change this 3 to 4. It is possible in lists, but in tuple this is not possible. It is immutable. The changing of the elements inside this tuple are changing is not allowed itself. Changing is not allowed in tuple, but whereas in list the changing is allowed. It is mutable, right? Yes. And next, tuples are often used to store data that should not be changed during program execution. C means mostly tuple is used like some details, should not be those should not be changed. Those should be like constant. Like, see, in an organization, the student name, that should be constant, right? It cannot be changed. It should not change at all, because the name of the student will be same when he is taking admission and when he is leaving from the college. The name will be constant, right? So at that time we will be using tuple, and his like birthplace or date of birth, his father name, those all will be immutable, because those cannot be changed, right? Yes. So at that position we'll be using tuples. So that's the main usage of tuple. So we are having key properties of tuple. The key properties of tuple are, see, it is ordered, right? Here we have seen, that it is ordered. See, we can access through index, right? Yes. And it is non-mutable. See, I said like this, we cannot add 8, we cannot add this here, and this will not be like this. See, it will be true, right? Yes. Non-mutable. And duplicates, see, it allows duplicates, same as list also allows duplicates. Like, see, if you have 4 here, you can again have 4 here, and you can again have 4 here. Any number of times you can have, any number of times. So and next one is accessibility. See, I have said if these are ordered, then we can access through index, right? So that's the main reason. See, if anything is ordered, then the positions of those won't be changed, right? At any time the positions of the elements won't be changed. So those can be accessed through indexes. So that's all about tuple. And next we are having set. See, in this class I'll be only saying about the theoretical part of these data structures, because it is the basics of data structures. So in further I'll be dedicating some class for separate data types. See, here we have list, right? See, only for list I'll if we go deeper inside the list, then we will be having further topics. So those further topics, then I have to explain everything again. So rather than explaining 2-3 times, then just I'll give you a brief introduction now, but in future I'll be discussing deeper, right? So then I'll be having like 1 hour sessions like that about list, because data structures is most important in Python, right? Next we are having set. Set is an unordered. Unordered means, see, unordered is nothing but, see, list and tuple are ordered, but set is unordered. Means this cannot be in order. Let me erase something. It is like clumsy, right? Let me erase this 4 as well. This 2. Okay, let me erase this one. And now I'm having here, see, I'm having 6 again. Yes. Now see, in set is unordered, means see, here we are having order, right? But in set we do not have all these indexes, we do not have, because it is unordered. In unordered is nothing but, see, whenever we run the program, if we run once, see, the order may be like this, or it may be changed like 2 8 6 6 3 7, like that. The order may be changed, and the next time we run the program again, the order may be changed again. So that is irrespective, means that is based on the compiler, means we cannot assume the position of an element in set. So that is known as unordered. And next we are having, it is mutable, means it can be changed, as like in lists, see, it can be mutable, means we can change this. We can change, oh, let me take some other color. Yeah, we can change this 2 can be changed to 1. We can change in sets, see, this 6 can be changed to something else. So there is a changing of elements, means it is mutable. Set is mutable, we can change the elements of a set very easily. And it is unindexed. See here, this ordered and indexed both are proportional to each other, means if the if the data structure is ordered, then it is indexed. If it is unordered, then it is unindexed. It will not have indexes because it do not have the order. The elements are not at all positioned in an order. Okay, yes, of unindexed collection of unique elements. Unique elements is nothing but, see here, this is not a set, you can say it easily, but because see here we are having 6, right? But if we change the 6 to 5, then it can be set as set, right? Because unique elements cannot be repeated, right? Yes. And it's useful for removing duplicates. Performing this can be known to you in further classes. And next we are having some key properties of set. In key properties of set, see, unordered, we have discussed already, it is unordered because it is like, it is a property of key, it is property of set, right? So that's why it is unordered. And mutable, we can add, remove and change elements. And no duplicates, we cannot have any duplicates, we cannot repeat the elements in the set. And next, accessibility, cannot access through indexing, right? Yes. Next we are having dictionary. The last one is dictionary. And in dictionary we can see this, a dictionary is an unordered. Yes, it is unordered, means it cannot be it cannot be accessed through indexing, right? And see here, in braces we are having this, you have to keep in mind. See, insertion ordered from Python 3.7 plus, means, see, Python will be having some versions, right? From later on, going on, the versions will be changed. Some of the updations will be added to the Python, then the Python will be changing its versions, as like, see, we'll be having 2.8, some 3, some 3.5, some now 3.7 plus, 7 plus, also 3.9, we can have like that, 3.8, like that. So the versions will be having, so from 3.7, from the version 3.7, will be having ordered, means the dictionary is ordered, means those are printed in the order which we have inserted them, right? Yes. So from 3.7 till now, the current version now of the Python is 3.13. Okay, up from 3.7 onwards up to till now, later on we'll be having some other versions, but up to now we have the updated version, which is 3.13. You have to keep in mind, because you have to see when you want to download it. Yes, this is exact version, which is exact version of Python, which is what updated now. See, when you are going to download Python, you have to what you have to check the latest version, right? Because if you download this 3.7 or before it, you'll be having some what outdated versions. Like we cannot access something, we cannot program our code easily, like that. We'll be having, like, see, in our mobile phone also, if you have latest versions updated, then you have to download that, right? If you do not download, the phone may be hanged, your mobile may be hanged, and you cannot access some other features. Some other features will be added to that, right? Like camera settings or some app settings, some extra apps will be added, like that. So so you have to be updated, you have to just download the updated versions every time. So 3.13 is now updated, and from 3.7 the dictionary is ordered. So now next we are having mutable collection of key value pairs. See, the elements in the dictionary can be mutable, means can be changeable. And here we are having something. See, keys must be unique and immutable. See, it is key value pair. Dictionary will be of key value pair. You will be having some key along with some value. So, but keys must be unique here, and those should not be changed. Means, see, here in dictionary we will not be having indexing. Instead, we are having key. We can access the value through the key. So key must be unique, and key should not be changed, because when it is changed, we don't know, we will be forgetting that, and at the starting we will be having something as key. Then if we try to access with that key, then we will be getting some error. So instead of running the program smoothly, then we have to keep the keys unique and immutable. We should not change the key, and we should keep it as unique, because if both the keys of values are equal, then if we wanna try to access some value with the key, if we give some key, then if that key is present double time, then what will it give? The output will be somewhat clumsy, right? So while values can be of any type, values can be of any type, because keys are used to access, so it should be unique and immutable. So, but values can be mutable, and values can be repeated, right? Duplicates can be allowed in the values. So key properties of these are of dictionary are ordered. From 3.7 it is maintaining order and mutable. We can change, we can add, we can remove elements. Unique, and keys must be unique. So these are the key properties of dictionary, set, tuple, and list. And introduction to data structures. Hope you have understood something about data structures, but you have plenty of other topics to dive deeper. So in later classes I will be explaining everything about data structures from beginning to advanced. So up to now, if you understood this session, and if you like this session, give a big thumbs up, share with your friends, and share your comments down in the comments below. And if you have any queries, do check it out, my mail ID in the description box, and join in the Telegram group and in WhatsApp channel. Follow the WhatsApp channel, because I will be posting many various job opportunities, many like, do watch my shorts also. I am posting some some keys, some like strategies, and about engineering students, how to be unique, like what uh, what skills to be needed, so all which are needed for a engineering student. Okay, do watch them. If you like them, then give a big thumbs up, share with your friends, and you can follow them also. Okay, so that's all for today's class. So let's get into another topic in another class. So let's master data structures in upcoming videos, and I'll be giving everything. I'll be giving some programs also, and that's all. Okay, thank you, bye bye, let's meet in next class.